AMD, somebody just said AMD break. T Sizzle, yep. AMD double top. AMD double top up here at 149. Break and hold above AMD right there's your confirmation candle, bullish to the upside. See it? Yeah, but remember, you trade the trades until it shows us otherwise, right? So this is still to the downside until it shows us otherwise, right?
Yep.
But yeah, it definitely is hanging up here. It's definitely hanging, staying up top, staying tall.
And now with Apple going back up, it
Yep.
might push
Yeah.
it.
Yep. Absolutely. And remember, everybody, here's the thing. So if you look at SPY, the overall is up. Even though I had a pullback at the open, if you look at this, the overall is to the upside, which means anytime we buy puts, it's more dangerous, right? Because we're going against the grain, right? So we have to be careful of that as well. So good job, regulator, and whoever else that was, right? We got to be quick on these ones because we're going against the grain. Quick, quick, quick.
Coach, with Apple already being up 1.25, or excuse me, SPY, should we be a little nervous?
Oh, because you're saying it's up so high.
Yeah, it's up in at 1.27 already.
It's up. Yeah, it is up really high. 1.5%, as you guys know, is massive for SPY to the upside, right? That's huge to the upside right now. Yes. But again, trade the trades, do what it's showing you. Now look at that MSTR. Did anybody hear me when I said this was way up here in the clouds? This is where I always want to shed, right? When it's that high. Does everybody see it? That was just way up there at 9%. SPY. Now I want to show you guys SPY right here. Now, of course, it's to the upside looking great, but I want to show you something. This is where people panic, right? But it is to the upside. But as an example, when it pops through, this is where we don't panic. Now this is starting to get, now that's confirmation. As soon as it breaks the body, of course, it's the upside. It has to break previous body to go up. Then it's confirmation up. But everybody always panics when you see a candle break through. We don't panic when candles break through. It has to be a long candle or a candle that comes through and then another candle that comes. And then as soon as it breaks previous candle body, you see what I mean? Like this one right here. So this is the body. This is bullish. See it? Tesla right here. So this is a baby double top on Tesla. Can you guys see it? Very small, but it is there. There goes SPY. Nice to the upside. Yep. So we always talk about how they break through, right? Well, it's not actually confirmation until the next candle, which is this one, goes higher than this one's previous body. See it here? So as soon as I saw this
green, you mean the green, right?
Yes.
Next green. Okay.
Yeah. So as soon as I saw this candle, right, going higher than the one that popped through, I'm like, bullish. And it did. It went to here. See it?
I see. Okay.
But this is me always talking about when you guys hear me say a break and hold. This is an example. Long candle is a confirmation or a candle that pokes through with another candle that is showing it confirmation. Make sense? But
yes, sir.
But that does not mean candle, candle, candle. None of this matters. You see them all? None of those are confirmation. Make sense? None of these are confirmation.